I researched hundreds of AI jobs, and these are the AI agents businesses are actually paying for. So I analyzed hundreds of job listings across LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, Well-Found, company career pages, and AI job boards to identify the AI systems companies consistently hire people to build. Rather than relying on opinions on social media trends, this presentation is based on the real market demand and the business problems organizations are actively paying to solve. Most people entering the AI space make the same mistake. They try to sell AI agents. Businesses aren't looking for AI, they are looking for solutions to expensive business problems. Throughout this presentation, you'll discover the AI agents companies repeatedly invest in, what they actually do, and why businesses are willing to pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars for them. I'm going to start with lead qualification agents. Here's what they do. These agents, they respond to every new lead within seconds. They ask qualifying questions such as budget, timeline, company size, biggest challenge, and current solution. They also automatically score leads as hot, warm, or cold. They book qualified prospects directly into sales calendars and send unqualified leads into automated nurturing campaigns. Why do businesses buy them? Research consistently shows that responding to leads quickly dramatically increases the chances of converting them into customers. Instead of sales team wasting time chasing every inquiry, they focus only on qualified prospects that are ready to buy. So every missed or delayed response is a potential lost customer. Lead qualification agents ensure every inquiry receives immediate attention, improving response times, increasing booked appointments, and helping businesses capture revenue that would otherwise be lost. So here are the common industries that utilize lead qualification agents: marketing agencies, real estate agencies, SaaS, coaching, healthcare, financial services, home services, and professional services. The second type of AI agents that businesses need are AI sales agents. Here's what they do. These agents, they send personalized follow-up emails. They respond to common objections. They recommend relevant products or services. They follow up consistently until prospects convert or opt out. They re-engage cold leads that haven't responded for weeks or months and schedule meetings automatically. Most businesses do not have a lead generation problem. They have a follow-up problem. AI sales agents ensure every opportunity is consistently nurtured, helping businesses recover revenue that would otherwise disappear because nobody followed up. Then for additional opportunities, most companies already have hundreds or thousands of old leads sitting inside their CRM. AI sales agents can automatically reconnect with inactive prospects, share valuable content, introduce new offers, and ask whether priorities have changed. Many businesses generate new sales from leads they had completely forgotten about. The other type of agents that businesses need are AI voice agents. Here's what these agents do. They answer incoming phone calls 24/7. They qualify callers, book appointments, answer frequently asked questions, transfer complex calls to staff, send SMS confirmations after every conversation, and capture call information directly into the CRM. Businesses buy these agents because for every missed phone call, it represents lost revenue. Voice agents ensure businesses never miss an opportunity simply because nobody answered the phone. Businesses that rely heavily on inbound calls often recover significant revenue simply by ensuring every caller receives immediate assistance. Industries that see strong demand for these agents include dental clinics, real estate agents, plumbers, medical practices, insurance agencies, electricians, law firms, HVAC companies, and roofing companies. The other agents that businesses need are customer support agents. Here is what these agents do. They instantly answer repetitive questions such as, where is my order? How do I reset my password? What is your pricing plan? How do I cancel my subscription? What are your business hours? What services do you offer? When conversations become too complex, the AI transfers them to a human while providing a complete summary. So why do businesses buy them? Support teams spend less time answering repetitive questions while customers receive faster responses around the clock. For the business impact, customer support agents help businesses reduce support workload, improve response times, increase customer satisfaction, provide 24-hour availability, and allow teams to focus on complex customer issues instead of repetitive inquiries. The other agents that business owners need in their businesses are CRM management agents and internal workflow agents. CRM management agents, they automatically create contacts, update opportunities, log emails, record meetings, summaries, capture call notes, update pipeline stages, create follow-up tasks, notify sales teams when deals become inactive. Why businesses buy them? Salespeople dislike administrative work. CRM agents keep data accurate automatically, giving managers better visibility without relying on manual updates. For internal workflow agents, they connect multiple business systems together. For example, after a proposal is signed, the workflow automatically creates a new project, generates folders, creates an invoice, and notifies the team. Softwares frequently connected include Google Workspace, Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, Monday.com, ClickUp, Airtable, Notion, and QuickBooks. Workflow agents eliminate repetitive administrative work, reduce human error, and ensure information flows automatically across every department. Another type of agents that business owners need to set up in their businesses are client onboarding, appointment booking, and email management agents. For client onboarding agents, they automatically send welcome emails, generate contracts, collect required documents, create project folders, generate invoices, schedule onboarding meetings, invite clients into communication platforms, and assign internal tasks. So the benefits of businesses setting up these agents, their clients get to experience a professional onboarding process within minutes instead of waiting days for manual administration. For appointment booking agents, they handle everything from appointment scheduling, calendar management, confirmations, reminder messages, rescheduling, and follow-up emails. By setting up these agents, businesses reduce no-shows by even a smaller percentage that significantly increases revenue without generating a single additional lead. For email management agents, they automatically categorize incoming emails, prioritize urgent messages, draft responses, summarize long conversations, extract action items, and archive newsletters. Business impact include executives and managers spending less time managing their inbox and more time making strategic decisions. The other agents that a business owner needs to set up in their business include proposal and quote generation, reporting, knowledge base, recruiting, and finance agents. So for proposal and quote generation agents, they automatically create sales proposals, statements of work, quotes, pricing documents, and scope documents using CRM information and pricing templates. By setting up these agents, businesses are able to respond to prospects faster, improve consistency, and reduce manual errors in pricing. For reporting agents, they pull data from CRM systems, advertising platforms, finance softwares, Google Analytics, and internal databases and spreadsheets. Then they automatically generate sales reports, marketing dashboards, revenue summaries, client reports, and KPI dashboards. By setting up these agents, managers receive up-to-date business insights without manually compiling reports. For the knowledge-based agents, employees simply ask questions like, how do I onboard a client? What's our refund policy? What is the latest SOPs? Or how do I process this request? The AI searches company documentation and immediately returns the correct answer. So by setting up these agents, managers spend less time answering repetitive internal questions while employees find information instantly. For recruiting agents, these agents automate resume screening, candidate scoring, interview scheduling, application communication, and interview summaries. By setting up these agents, recruiters spend more time speaking with qualified candidates and less time sorting through hundreds of applications manually. For finance and invoice agents, they handle invoice generation, payment reminders, expense categorization, cash flow summaries, financial reporting, and overdue invoice follow-ups. By setting up these agents, finance teams reduce administrative work while improving cash collections and financial visibility. Content repurposing agents, they turn one piece of content into blog articles, LinkedIn posts, X threads, email newsletters, Instagram captions, Facebook posts, short-form video scripts, and SEO articles. So instead of creating every piece of content from scratch, businesses maximize the value of every podcast, webinar, article, or YouTube video they produce. Businesses don't buy AI, they buy business outcomes. After reviewing hundreds of job listings, one thing became incredibly clear. Instead of selling AI agents, chatbots, or automation systems, sell more booked appointments, faster lead response, better customer support, less manual work, low operating costs, higher productivity, and more revenue. The AI is simply the tool, the business outcome is the product. That's why most successful AI agencies position themselves as problem solvers, not AI builders. So if your business is losing leads, spending too much time on repetitive tasks, or struggling to scale operations, AI automation can help. I build custom AI agents and automation systems designed around your business processes, not generic templates. So whether you need to qualify and follow up with leads automatically, book more appointments, automate customer support, streamline your CRM, eliminate repetitive internal workflows, or save your team hours every week, I'd be happy to help. So book a free strategy call using the link in the description. Then on the call, we'll review your current processes, identify your biggest automation opportunities, and discuss practical AI solutions that can deliver measurable results for your business. I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.